Maldives. Outfit Airport. Check.
Dito na ako sa airport, guys. Pagbungad pa lang. Dagat na agad. So, heading to immigration. Ang ganda. Dagat na agad. So, ayan siya. Dito ako sa may Male Airport. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nakapang winter pa ako, pero ang summer na dito sa dito sa Maldives. Siyempre winter sa UAE, so ayun, winter din. So mamaya na lang ako palit. Spending here 8 days in Maldives. Arat na! Parang ako lang yata yung Pinoy na nakita ko kanina sa Makaido. So, for today's weather is like 28 degrees in, where I call this, in Abu Dhabi. I left there. It's like only morning it's like 18 degrees. So, looks like, see, I got winter clothes. But here, charan, I miss Philippines. It's like, of course, tropical country, Philippines. Oh my God. Mabush. Arat na, guys. Guys, dito pa lang sa terminal, oh, blue na yung dagat. Ayan, ito yung terminal ng Baka, going dun sa, ano namin, resort and spa. Charis.
Santara Raspushi. Resort and Spa.
The welcome home. Bongga.
That is the Ocean Restaurant for the buffet restaurant. And we have shop here.
Hi guys! Oh my God. This is so amazing. Ako guys, hindi lulula lang kayo pag tinanong nyo magkano price. Hindi rin ako makapaniwala pero yun yung price niya. 6 digit. Crazy. Ang ganda! Dati nakikita ko lang siya sa computer. Ngayon, eto na. Oh my God, super ganda.
When you see her when you fall asleep, but never to turn and never keep on. You love her too much and the dive too deep. Only know we can hide when you're feeling low. Only hear the Lord when you're feeling home. Only know you love her when you let her.
Hi guys, good morning. I'll show you my room. So this is the cart. Dun-dun-dun. So like this. So this, sorry.
Habibi,
So
come to Maldives.
And how to open this? And our lounge area. This is so good. Quite hot. See, it's a private island here. And the view is perfect. Look at the ocean. It's so clear. You can see all the fishes there. I think it will rain soon.
Minsan gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo.
I'm excited guys. We're going to Shark Nursery. So we're here at Maldives. As you can see, it's my 4th day. Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-vlog. Tamad na tamad. Maganda dito guys is complete. They have clinic. The Wi-Fi was so very good. You know, very strong. So whenever you go, may Wi-Fi. And then the food, 3 kinds of food. I think 4. Because sometimes Asian, they have Thai restaurant, Arabic food, and Italian food. So the rest is Asian food. So maganda talaga. to. Hindi ko mainit. Pero, I'm not recommend na 8 days kayo dito. Yung kasama ko kasi 8 days eh. So, probably 4 to 5 days lang enough. Pero, ano kasi, 8 days. Ang tagal. Natatagalan ako ng inip ako. Kasi dito lang din kami sa island. And then, hindi naman kami nagtawag dito. Nag-island hopping. Kasi, nag-island hopping na ako in other island. I mean, in other island. I think it's same. So, tapos, US dollar lahat ng bayad. As in, US dollar. So, every moves may tax. 10% tax. So, all in all, plus may 7 tax pa. So, 17% ang tax. Sobrang taas. My God. Kaya nyo yun? Nakakapikon, di ba? Nakakapikon. Pero, ang maganda dito, guys, ni isang maliit na basura, wala akong makikita. Zero garbage as in. Sa mahal ba naman ng tax, ante? So, see you later, guys. I'm done eating.
You're doing video.
Morning. So we have food like this. A lot of breads. See? By the way, guys, it's buffet. It's buffet breakfast every day. So, included in the package Like that. So it's not bad. It's good. It's Asian. Kind of fun. The boat. This is the boat, guys, that they're using if you want turtle trip. A lot of boats. They have submarine also, semi-submarine, and that we use that one when we do with the dolphin. I mean the shark. So I think this one is for passenger also. When we go coming to the airport, then going to the resort. This one is nice. So every activity is different boat. Yes, a lot of fish. They love bread. I always bring them bread. Anywhere here in Maldives, the water was so. I think it's family crabs. So I'm running for them. I got super tan. By the way, guys, this is our last day. It's my 6th day, and the last day will be in city. So just only 20 minutes away the airport here in this island. I think the island is the nearest island in airport. So the other island, it takes 1 hour, 2 hours for boat. That's why probably there are likely more expensive than this island that I've stayed now. So yeah, going Maldives is not a joke, guys. Everything have tax, every move have tax. Yeah, it's just only for, I'm not telling you guys because I'm not the one who spent this Maldives. This is what I call this? This is for rich person, I think. If it's not free, I will not go here. But this is paradise. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, my color. The sun is here. My color is not really good. I'm really so tan, but I like it. It's golden tan. Bye guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on Maldives. Bye. Bye guys. Our last day. So we will stay one more day in city. Then I will come back in Abu Dhabi. See you soon. Bye. Bye guys. Bye Santara. Bye Maldives. Waiting our luggage. Shit. Tapos na ang prinsesa. Magiging prinsesa niya. That's my luggage. Go back to the city. So last day today, we're here, the Malé City. If I know that I can surf here, I go here early at the city because tomorrow is my flight. So yeah, I didn't prepare. But you cannot swim with swimsuit. Of course, you have to wear shorts instead. A lot of crabs. Oh my G. Sarap ang ulam. Mukhang buruhan na pag-uwi, guys. So, see you in Abu Dhabi, guys. So, last day today. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog dito sa Maldives. See you on my next travel. Bye guys.
High volume.
Am I really that much?